Never eat broccoli with this cause cancer and dementia. 3 best and worst food recipes. Introduction: broccoli is widely regarded as one of the healthiest vegetables on the planet. Known for its rich supply of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it has long been celebrated for its potential to improve overall health. However, in recent years, a number of health claims have emerged, questioning the safety of eating broccoli when combined with certain other foods. Some even suggest that combining broccoli with specific items might contribute to the development of serious health issues, such as cancer or dementia. While these claims may sound alarming, it is essential to carefully evaluate the science behind them. This article will explore the relationship between broccoli and other foods that may, according to some theories, pose potential risks. We will also examine 3 of the best and worst food combinations for optimal health, offering tips on how to create healthy, nutritious meals that support brain function and overall well-being. The health benefits of broccoli. Before we delve into the potential risks, let's take a moment to appreciate the many health benefits of broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with essential nutrients including 1. Vitamin C, an important antioxidant that helps support the immune system and skin health. 2. Vitamin K, critical for bone health and proper blood clotting. 3. Folate, essential for cell growth and the formation of red blood cells. 4. Fiber, promotes digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. 5. Sulforaphane, a potent antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. Broccoli is also linked to better heart health, improved eye health, and potentially even a lower risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension. Given these incredible health benefits, why would some food combinations with broccoli raise concerns? The potential risks of combining broccoli with certain foods. While the idea that broccoli might cause cancer or dementia when paired with certain foods may sound extreme, there are some legitimate reasons why certain combinations might not be ideal. In particular, the issue often comes down to nutrient absorption, food interactions, and the way certain foods can affect the body's systems. Broccoli and dairy products. One of the most talked about food combinations that could cause potential harm is pairing broccoli with dairy products, such as milk or cheese. The reasoning behind this claim stems from the fact that dairy products contain high amounts of calcium, while broccoli is rich in certain compounds called oxalates. These compounds combined with calcium, potentially leading to the formation of kidney stones in individuals who are prone to them. Additionally, some people find that consuming broccoli with dairy products may lead to digestive discomfort or bloating. Broccoli and alcohol. There has been speculation about the negative effects of combining broccoli with alcohol, particularly in relation to cancer risk. Alcohol is known to increase the production of acetaldehyde, a toxic compound that has been linked to several types of cancer, including those of the mouth, throat, and liver. Some studies suggest that consuming large amounts of alcohol in combination with foods like broccoli, known for its cancer-protective properties, might undermine its beneficial effects. While the research is still inconclusive, moderation is key when it comes to alcohol consumption. Broccoli and high-sugar foods. Another potentially problematic combination is eating broccoli with high-sugar foods, such as sugary sauces or processed snacks. High-sugar intake is associated with inflammation, which can negatively impact brain health and increase the risk of dementia. When combined with broccoli, which contains compounds that support brain health, the sugar could counteract these benefits by promoting oxidative stress and inflammation. Best and worst food combinations with broccoli. In light of the concerns mentioned above, it's important to understand which food pairings work well with broccoli to maximize its nutritional benefits. Below, we'll break down 3 of the best and worst food recipes involving broccoli. 1. Best food combination: broccoli and lean protein, chicken or tofu. Broccoli pairs wonderfully with lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, or tofu. When combined, these foods offer an excellent balance of nutrients. 1. Protein, supports muscle growth and repair. 2. Broccoli's fiber and antioxidants help reduce inflammation and promote digestive health. 3. Synergy. The protein from chicken or tofu can enhance the absorption of broccoli's iron and zinc, which are essential for immune function. Recipe idea: grilled chicken and broccoli stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 lb boneless, skinless chicken breast sliced into thin strips. 2 cups fresh broccoli florets. 3 1 tablespoon olive oil. 4 1 tablespoon soy sauce or tamari for gluten-free. 5 2 cloves garlic, minced. 6 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. 7 salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1 heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. 2 add chicken strips and cook until golden brown and fully cooked. 3 add garlic and broccoli florets to the pan and stir-fry for 5 to 7 minutes until the broccoli is tender but still bright green. 4 drizzle with soy sauce, sprinkle sesame seeds, and season with salt and pepper. 5 serve hot with a side of brown rice for added fiber. This simple recipe is an excellent way to combine protein with broccoli, creating a satisfying and health-boosting meal. 2 worst food combination: broccoli and high-sugar sauces. High-sugar sauces such as sweet and sour sauce, barbecue sauce, or ketchup can create a poor pairing with broccoli. While broccoli is rich in antioxidants that protect the brain and fight cancer, sugar can increase inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially counteracting broccoli's health benefits. Recipe idea: broccoli with sweet and sour sauce. Avoid this. While it may sound delicious, using sweet and sour sauce with broccoli might not be the best choice for optimal health. The sugar content in sweet and sour sauce can spike blood sugar levels, causing inflammation that could undermine the protective effects of broccoli's nutrients. 3 best food combination: broccoli and healthy fats, avocado or olive oil. Broccoli is best paired with healthy fats, such as avocado or olive oil, to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, and K. Healthy fats also help improve brain function, making this combination a winning choice for overall wellness. Recipe idea: broccoli and avocado salad. Ingredients: 1 2 cups steamed broccoli florets. 2 1 ripe avocado, diced. 3 1 tablespoon olive oil. 4 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 5 salt and pepper to taste. 6 a handful of walnuts, optional. Instructions: 1 steam the broccoli until it's bright green and tender. 2 toss the steamed broccoli with diced avocado, olive oil, and lemon juice. 3 season with salt and pepper and sprinkle with walnuts for added crunch and omega-3 fatty acids. 4 serve chilled or at room temperature. This simple salad combines healthy fats from avocado and olive oil with the nutrients in broccoli, creating a heart-healthy and brain-boosting dish. 4 worst food combination: broccoli and dairy. As mentioned earlier, pairing broccoli with dairy can cause digestive discomfort in some individuals, particularly those sensitive to lactose. Additionally, calcium in dairy may interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients in broccoli, potentially contributing to kidney stone formation in susceptible people. Recipe idea: broccoli. Cheese casserole. Avoid this. While a broccoli cheese casserole may seem tempting, the combination of broccoli and cheese might not be ideal for individuals with lactose intolerance or those looking to reduce their calcium intake. Instead, opt for a dairy-free version of the casserole or top your broccoli with a plant-based cheese alternative. Conclusion: broccoli is undoubtedly one of the healthiest vegetables available, offering numerous health benefits. However, like any food, it's important to pair it with other ingredients that complement its nutrients and promote optimal health. While some food combinations, such as broccoli with dairy or sugar-laden sauces, can diminish its beneficial effects, there are many delicious and nutritious pairings that enhance its health-boosting potential. By paying attention to food interactions and making mindful choices, you can create meals that not only taste great, but also support long-term well-being, including brain health and cancer prevention.